So let's talk about the latest thing. The BMW 2022 M3 and M4 are coming out with all-wheel drive, and you can add this on for a extra cost of $4,100. What do you guys think about that? This is by far the first M3 that will be equipped with all-wheel drive, and it's arriving in a few months. Now, this is only available for the M3 Competition and M4 Competition. So the M3 Competition with xDrive equipped costs about $77,895, and the M4 Competition xDrive starts at $79,795. So BMW is stating that with the all-wheel drive functionality add-on, they're claiming a 0.4 second improvement on their 60 miles per hour run. So I think that's pretty cool. All-wheel drive feels a lot more aggressive, more stability, more traction control, and it hooks a lot more, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.